Hello friends. Do you want to make DJ controller? You are in right video. This is demo video where you will learn to make a DJ controller. You will get the code in description. Let's start. You need few components. Arduino Nano. 2 piece of 10 kilo ohm potentiometer. 2 piece of push switch. Breadboard. And male-to-male jumper wire. Let's first make circuit diagram.
First of all, connect all the ground terminal of our push button as well as our 2 potentiometer. Sort it and ground to Arduino pin number ground. So you can see that I ground all the connections. Here I am grounding potentiometer ground to Arduino ground terminal. Now connect to both terminal of potentiometer positive and connect it to Arduino pin number 5 volt. See, I connect all 2 terminal of potentiometer to Arduino ground pin, I mean 5 number pin. Now a middle pin of a potentiometer I am connecting to A0 and second potentiometer middle pin I am connecting to pin number A1 of Arduino. In this push button, I am connecting first push button to pin number D2 and second push button pin number D3. If you are using Arduino Uno, then you will use pin number 2 and pin number 3. So first of all we need this type of breadboard. After that we need Arduino Nano, or we can take also Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega, but I am taking Arduino Nano. So let's first connect it here. Okay, so I connected it successfully. Now we need 2 potentiometer. This is a potentiometer. You can take any type of potentiometer. We have many type of potentiometer. Now first connect it. I am connecting it here. Okay, this is number 1 per potentiometer and this is a number 2 potentiometer. Okay, now then after what we need 2 buttons. So I am connecting this 2 button here. 1 button, but note that the connection is make strongly, else you will not get any DJ controller. So I'm connecting first here and second here. Why? Because I didn't get any place here, so that's why I connected this another one here. Now what is our first step? Our first step to connect all the pins to ground. So for grounding I'm taking, this is our male to male pin, male to male jumper wire. Okay, so we need this jumper wire. So first of all I am taking pin number 1 of this here. This is pin number 1 and this is a line of pin number 1. Okay, so I am connecting it here, and also there is a pin number 1 line, so I'm connecting it to pin number here. Make sure connection will be strong, not a loose connection. And now again I'm taking from there, so connect it here. Okay, now connect to here. Okay, here. Now we need another. I'm connecting it to here because of we are now connecting only ground, so for that one pin here and another pin is here. Okay, now what we need one last pin for ground, so this is a last pin. There I'm connecting. See where I'm connecting this is our pin. Okay, this is our pin, so I'm connecting it here. Okay, now I'm connecting it here. Okay, and now this is a terminal. This terminal goes to ground, so ground is our where? See our ground. This is our ground, so connect it straight. This is our ground, so our ground connection is end. When I will display to you circuit diagram in laptop, then you can see that I'm not using breadboard, but still connection is same. Don't be confused in connection. Okay, connection is same, only number of wire I am using here more than I used in circuit diagram. Okay, connection is same. Now the time to use positive terminal. So for positive terminal I'm again using this wire. So this is the last terminal and this is the last terminal. Okay, so for the so here last terminal I am connecting it here. Okay, and here also last terminal, this is the last terminal. Okay, so I'm connecting it here. Okay, now again, now only potentiometer have a negative and positive, but in a tactile button we don't have a positive, we only have a negative. So we are not going to connect a positive to these two tactile buttons. So from there I mean this is a positive, so straightly this rail I connected it here and I connect to 5 volt. 5 volt is where? This is our 5 volt. This is okay, so connect to straight. Now our positive and negative connection is complete. Now connect all the signal wire. I told you the signal wire, this is another leg of this button, so connect it here and connect it to D2. So our D2 is here, this is a D2, connect it straight, this is a D2. And now connect this signal wire from there. This is my signal wire, see, this is my signal wire. So from there connect it to D3. Got it? But in Arduino Uno, this is my Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega, there is not a D2 and D3. There is only pin number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can connect pin number 2 and pin number 3. Okay. Now we need two more. We need two more wire. One for this potentiometer. This potentiometer, as I told you that we connected only last two potentiometer pin, but middle pin is also empty. So connect this one male header to here, middle one. Okay, and now connect this another male header here, because I took a two pair of wire now. So first connect here and second pair of wire connect here, middle pin number. Got it? Now we have a two wire. So connected pin number A2 and A3. A2 and A3. So see and find where is the A2 and where is A3. You can see that this is the A1, A0 and A1, A0 and A1. Okay, so pin number A0, A1 is here. So connect it, A0 and A1. Any pin connect to A0 and or any pin connect to A1. Similarly, any pin connect to D2 and any pin connect to D3. Okay, so here is our circuit is complete. Now if after uploading the code, if any pin, any switch or any potentiometer is not working, so problem is in your circuit diagram. So for debug that, use multimeter. This is my multimeter, and I took in continuity mode. Okay, so continuity mode, if I short this two wire, so a beep sound is coming. Okay, if beep sound is coming after to short there, then your circuit is okay, else your circuit is not okay. Now to check that, suppose my this button is not working, this button is not working. So how to check it? First of all, check the ground pin. As I told you that this is my ground pin, this is I'm using for ground. So put one probe of any black and red to the ground of the Arduino. Okay, to the ground of the Arduino, where this is my ground of the Arduino, this is my ground of the Arduino. Okay, this is my ground of the Arduino. I put one wire, one probe here, and another probe to ground, here. Okay, so if you will get beep, then your connection is okay. If not, then your connection is open, so you have to connect it properly. Okay, so first of all, connect it very carefully so you can get. See, first of all, connect it to ground, and second is to connect to there, which is connected to ground. See, I'm getting a continuity sound, so this connection is okay. If I will not continuity sound, so you have a problem to this circuit. You have to check this and make sure that all connection is connected or sorted properly. There should not be a loose connection or open circuit, so connect it properly. If this connection is okay, but still I'm not getting any signal, so problem is maybe in your this wire. So connect also. So this wire is connected to our pin number D2. Okay, pin number D2. So first of all, connect it to pin number D2 here. There is a pin number D2. Okay, so connect it to pin number D2, and from there connect. See, I'm getting a continuity sound, so it's mean my circuit is okay. If I will not get continuity, so my circuit is not okay. I have to connect it properly. Okay, similarly you will connect this and this. For this you have a one ground, one positive and one signal. So first of all, connect to ground. Which one is ground? First of all, check that which one is ground. So this one is ground. Put it here. Suppose this potentiometer is not working. This potentiometer, so connect it to ground and check it. See, continuity is coming, so it's mean this is okay. If not, then you will not get. Similarly, you can check this also, and similarly you can check a positive. Okay, connect it to positive terminal of here, and here you will get. Or similarly, you can check this is our analog pin, and this pin number goes to pin number A1. So connect, put one probe middle, because of middle of the pin is our middle of the leg of this potentiometer is our signal. So put into middle leg and trace the wire where it connects. So it's connect to pin number A1. So connect it A1. Okay, so we'll get continuity sound. It's mean our connection is okay. If I will not get continuity sound, so it's mean our connection is break here. So connect it properly. So this is a way you can make circuit diagram. Now the next step is to connect. This is our data cable pin. First data cable is, as we know, that connect here. Okay, so connect it here, and this second data cable goes to our computer. So now comes to our computer. First of all, you need some software. First software is Arduino IDE. So go and download it here. And if you don't know how to download it, go your YouTube and search this. You will get a separate video for that. And now after, you have to download loop MIDI. This is a loop MIDI. So you have to download it. Go to here and click here. And then after, you will get a download link. So download it from here. Okay. And now install. Then after, you need hairless MIDI, this one. So click this one is GitHub, and now download it from here. If you are using Windows, Linux, Mac, anything, you can download it. And in same way, you can download Arduino IDE if you are using Mac OS, anything. So currently I am using Windows, so I am currently use Windows. Click here. So you can download it. Load MIDI library. First go to Google and type MIDI library. This one is MIDI library, and from there click GitHub, this GitHub file, and you will come here. Now click on this code and download zip. Okay. See, I downloaded it here. Now click on sketch library, add zip library. Okay. Now find where you download. I download in desktop, and in this folder, this one is. So select it, then open it. Then after, you will get a library here. Okay. And after that, you will copy the whole code from the description and paste it here. So after download Arduino IDE, go to description, you will get a link where you will get this code. So copy this code and put in your Arduino IDE. Then after, you have to first of all select a board. What board you use? I am currently using Arduino Nano, so that's why Arduino Nano. And while you are using Arduino Nano, you have to select this old board. Okay. If you are using Arduino Mega or Arduino Uno, so select Arduino Mega or Arduino Uno from here. Arduino Uno here, and Arduino Mega is here. This Arduino Mega you have to do. This, not this one. And then you have to connect a cable Arduino to your computer. So I connected, and now see, you have to connect a COM port. So I connected. Okay. See, if you are using Arduino Nano, or I mean Arduino Uno or Arduino Mega, so you will not get this processor. If I am connecting here, so see, you will not get a processor. Okay, but Only if you are using Arduino Nano, then you will get out this type of processor. So correct. So click here. Okay. Now first of all, save it. Control and S, save it. Then verify. Make sure before to save and verify, you have to connect a data cable that I showed you. First and connect to your Arduino IDE or Arduino Mega, Arduino Uno, and second port of that data cable connect to your computer. Then after you will save and compile. See, my compilation is done successfully. Okay. Now I have to upload it. So click here. See, done uploading. Okay. Now then after you have to first of all open loop MIDI. See, after open loop MIDI, you will get this. Okay. So side it. Now open this here list. So double click on it. Now then after you have to first of all click on file, then preference, click here 115200 and nothing to change. Okay. Okay. And now you have to connect. First of all click here, then you will get a port number. So click this port. If you will not get this port, so again close it, then again open it, so you will get this port. Okay. Now you have to select this MIDI output. So from MIDI output, click what I port use here. This is loop MIDI port. So click here and click here. So you will get loop MIDI port. Okay. Now click here. So if I press my switch, so see, signal is coming. Any port, anything. So first of all check that whether signal is coming or not. Now after to check that our signal is coming successfully, now you have to open any DJ software. Suppose I'm using this Tractor. You can download Tractor or any software. So click here. Now at the time, now this is a time to map. So see, our software is open successfully. So first of all click here and now click control and now.
Do you want to learn how to make pro version of music controller like this? This. And much more music controller with cheap price and take creativity command in own hand. So we are offering a complete 5 hours course with live support. Enroll price is very cheap. So why wait? Details are in description.
Now first of all click here generic MIDI and select this one. Okay. Now click here and click loop MIDI and also there loop MIDI. Now suppose that I want to use this play button. Okay. So click here and see there is a play and pause. So click play and pause. Now click here learn. Okay. Now press this button. Then I am using button and I am using toggle button. Okay. This is a device for A. Okay. Suppose I am using this Q also. So for that click here and use this Q I am using. So click here and now if I press here, so I will get a Q. This is also button and this is a toggle button and this is for drive B. I mean drive A. Okay. Now it's okay. Now if I choose any software, any music from there to there. Okay. Now the first option I can play it from this mouse or I can play it from this. This is basically a Q button. So if I press this, okay. This is a Q button.